Hey everybody, it's Lewis, Dorothy, Mark of the Raven, and we just thought we'd make a video to really talk about all the craziness that's happening right now. As I'm sure you're all aware, and I would probably be pretty concerned if you weren't, this whole COVID-19 coronavirus thing has got us all stuck at home.
Except for the ice cream guy.
Do I actually just hear the ice cream guy? Holy crap, the ice cream guy's driving around. I hear him off in the background somewhere. I'm mildly disturbed about that, actually.
Mara's not allowed to go get ice cream with the ice cream guy right now.
Yeah, I don't know if I trust the ice cream guy situation.
Which is really
right
interesting
now.
notation for our video right now.
Isn't it though?
Yeah, it is.
Oh, he's actually coming up. So apparently not everyone is stuck inside.
Or concerned about
passing on the coronavirus. So we had big plans for this year. We were really throwing everything we could behind Mark of the Raven and cranking out product and
actually getting out into the world to go do festivals and see people and make new friends.
And this is what our plan was at the time, was to put everything behind doing face-to-face retail at festivals and shows, and possibly moving into the Ren Fair space, stuff like that. And yeah, that got a little more difficult since they canceled them all. So we've had to
Adjust.
Adjust is a good word. We've had to adjust our strategy a little bit.
Because the rules of engagement have changed, y'all.
She's been waiting to use that phrase for like 2 weeks. So instead, we're staying home like we should, and we're betting on Halloween, Christmas, stuff like that. So we're upping our stock, and we're getting ready. We're keeping the website up and running.
I know one of the things that's been really tough for me lately is my anxiety. And most of the time, I pride myself on the fact that I don't need drugs. These last couple of weeks have been enough where I'd really like to be able to take something every night before I go to sleep or something. Because there have definitely been a couple of mornings where I'm just trying to hold it all together and not start crying or freak out for any number of reasons. There have been a lot of moments where it's been all about how do I keep it together and how do I keep myself going forward and not just dissolving into a quivering pile of useless jello. I get up and I put some jamming music on and I go work it out on something or dance it out and wash the dishes ferociously and cry into the dishes or you know.
Wash the dishes ferociously. I'm going to make a meme out of that. See, me, I've been pouring all of my time and effort into my car. I got a little SUV that I'm turning into
oh boy, have you ever.
Adventure wagon. And, you know, pictures and possibly video will be forthcoming soon, but I've still got a few key things left to do to it. But really, we're blessed in regards to where we have to quarantine. We have 3.5 acres. We have trees and water. But a key point is doing our best to act like it's any other day, at least around here, you know.
Well, but at the same time, again, the rules of engagement, because there are definitely a lot of moments where it's about how are we reevaluating how we're dealing with this situation. Like we are not, it's not just the two of us here. It's our kids, it's my dad, it's a couple of other people who live here. So, you know,
it's
now
a stray I picked up on the way home one day.
It's not.
You've met him in other videos.
It's not just a matter of, oh, I'm running down the street to go do whatever and nobody cares. Now it's kind of a concern of where is everybody going and are we having visitors over? And as much as I would love to see my really good friends Maddie and Aurora or Ashley or Lexi and have them come over because this is a haven for them too. We can't. It's just not entirely safe, and we really do feel like that. I mean, there are plenty of things that it's not just like every other day, and I think that's part of the scary part. But it's the mentality of trying to keep ourselves there so we're not freaking out or scared too, that there's going to be a tomorrow.
Well, that's exactly it. Is at least keeping it in your head that it's like any other day as much as possible, because I find that it helps to remove the gravity of the situation. Get up, to get dressed, to get out to the studio, to kick on the torch, or get down under the car and work on my suspension, or whatever. But to act like this isn't going to last forever, because it's not. To act like there's going to be tomorrow, because there is. And when that time comes around, we need to be prepared for it.
It's called being proactive, y'all.
So what we're doing is we're betting that we can still salvage this year come the fall, and making lots of products, getting nice and stocked up for Halloween, Christmas, stuff like that. You'll start seeing our new products coming out on the website and on Facebook before too awfully long, probably sometime around summer, midsummer, I mean.
Because we already do have new things in the works, and I'm really excited about it.
Yes, now all we have to do is push it out to the public. And how about this gas being the cheapest it's been in decades, and I'm not allowed to go anywhere? That's some bullshit. Airline tickets, you go to France for like $80, but you're not allowed to go.
Yeah.
Worst apocalypse ever.
2020, you're drunk, go home. And how about this ice cream guy? Do you think it's stupid? Because I think it's stupid.
Yeah, I don't know if I think the ice cream guy going door to door at this point is the best idea.
Happy ass at home. Hello? Isn't it creepy how it says hi to you?
It really is.